YouTube? Today we got a Plndr unboxing. I'm not going to tell you what is in this package. I'll leave it as a surprise.
This question is you need addressing, like how we fresh in the adolescence and wrecking them. Hand them tracks, he destined to make a mess of them. Snapping next records in matter of seconds, lost direction and found
there you go.
Aggressive none. Fucking shit checking punches.
We got some.
No
Bam.
effects in these dope
Supras.
sessions, son. Chilling for a while on a pile of the rest of them. Let the crowd choose.
Oh, what else is in the box is just the invoice right there, and then some brown paper, like package paper. So here we go. The shoe, some white and red Owens. I picked these up when the Memorial Day sale was, so I got like $10 off, and so these ended up being 35 shipped. With the Supras, it's not bad at all. So we got 2 of these things in them. These little things. These are good for when your shoes are just sitting on the shelf like this. Just like that. You put them in there and they won't lose for them. Especially if you don't wear them often. So here's the left shoe. It just got, it just has just white right here, white mesh, breathable mesh, and then it's red foam, like suede kind of thing, and then the gray little loop things, and then the white laces, and then right there the red Super crown and the red Supra, and then inside says Supra. Can't really see it. The Supra bottom is just white, and then the little Dodge pattern, and it says Supra right there. All black on the bottom. This is the left shoe. The right shoe is the exact same. Right here. Just on this one it has this little like keychain thing. And that one came with the same wrapping paper stuff. And these are some pretty sick shoes, if I say so myself. Like, I'll probably have, like, on Instagram if you follow me, which is follow me at bjosh.tipton. I'll probably have a fit of the day tomorrow, like, and I'll have Ohio State shirt and then red and white colorway. Yeah, so this is a sick shoe. And so I'll probably drop an on the foot review like I did with my Jordans. I'll probably put that up probably tomorrow or the next day, because I don't want to spam your subscriptions, or even probably not subscribe to me. But yeah, if you're to use the rep code JT98 on Plndr and Carmaloot. And thanks YouTube, have a nice day.